on one issue and one issue only. Let's bring back in our think tank. Lara Yeretsian, this happens once in a while, a lot of times in retrials, but here you have a jury that didn't listen to all the evidence during the trial, and now they just have this one decision to make. How different will this trial be?
Probably somewhat different, but I mean, the jury is going to have to hear some of the evidence. They're going to also, the facts of the case, but they're also going to hear mitigation. The way I see this case, I mean, it could go either way, but it only involves one person. Is it heinous? Yes. Is it tragic? Yes. But I could see, I mean, you could hear one of the jurors in the case already saying, the one who didn't even believe him and thought his testimony hurt him, Andre Warner's testimony hurt him. Even she said that she was leaning towards life imprisonment. So my gut feeling is, in this case, most likely they're not going to give him the death penalty. If it was a more horrific, I mean, it is horrific. I'm not trying to downplay it here. It's awful. I think the one fact that really, really hurts him is this man was begging for his life, and they were laughing about it later. That's not going to go very well with any jury that hears it. But at the same time, he testified, he was claiming that he wasn't there, and basically he's being set up by the other co-defendants. And, I could see a jury basically saying, you know what, let him get life imprisonment, especially if the victim's mom is saying the same.
Candace, do you think this jury will get the full flavor? And obviously prosecutors have got to put in the evidence to explain to the jury what happened here. But it's one thing when you listen to the entire case from start to finish and you are embedded. Do you think this jury will understand what happened and why this man was convicted?
Well, this is the faith and hope